Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the reaction. The reaction is the top 10 Somali billionaires. This is the rich person from Somalia. This is the top 10 people. If you really like top 10 Somali people, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. If friend, you're watching the reaction video, and my name is Nav, and I'm from India. I'm your friend, Somali people. So let's check out. Don't miss this video. Wow. Top 10 richest Somali billionaires, Somali people. Richest number 10, Mo Farah. Mo Farah. Wow. 20 million net worth. Number 9, Farmazo. President. Number 8, Muhammad Adasar. Muhammad, owner of Opan Fishing Company. Wow. 120 million. Number 7, Jerry Dr. Ismail. Wow. Net worth for 160 million US dollar. Number 6, Dr. Imana. Wow. 600 million net worth. Wow. Number 5, Abdurrahman. 760 million. Number 4. Okay. That was 1 billion. Wow. So rich. Number 3. And Sri Ali has brought 1.1 billion. Wow. Number 2, Muhammad Seed. 1.3 billion US dollar. Number 1, Ahmad Nur. Ahmad Nur Billionaire. 1.5 billion. Wow. They are really rich person. Aha. So amazing video guys. This is the top 10 Somali billionaires. It's really amazing. They are really rich. They have much money. This is the Somali people. If you really like this video, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. If friend, you are watching narration video. My name is Nav. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, must subscribe and must comment. So love you all. Take care. Bye bye.